Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to start third part of Java programming. In this part, I am going to describe you about multiple conditions. And multiple conditions means more than one condition. So let us consider a problem. Write a Java program using if-else-if statement to check the conditions if height is greater and equals to 4 feet and the average is greater and equals to 3 feet. The candidate is shortlisted. Else if height is greater and equals to 4 feet and average is less than 3 feet, average is less than 3, it is not feet, average is less than 3, the candidate is not shortlisted. Else if height is less than 4 feet and average is greater and equals to 3, the candidate is shortlisted. Now average means number of basket used in per match and height the player's height or the candidates who are shortlisted, that's height. So when we are using more than one condition, few symbols can be used. Here this is this symbol for not, this is called AND or macro, conditional and this is conditional OR. Now we are going to start the programs. In same way, import java dot util dot scanner semicolon public class space basketball hyphen team A, braces begin public static void main parenthesis open string space args square bracket open square bracket close parenthesis close. Now second braces is open. Now here is two variable, one height and another is average. So we can take both in integers category. So we write here int equals to int space height equals to 0 semicolon. Here int space avg equals to 0 semicolon. Initial value of height and average is 0. Scanner equals to new scanner parenthesis begin system in parenthesis close semicolon. System dot out dot print in parenthesis begin within quotes enter the candidate's height in feet colon quotes close parenthesis close semicolon. Height equals to scanner dot next int function semicolon. System dot out dot print in parenthesis begin within quotes enter the average number of baskets per match colon quotes close parenthesis close semicolon. Now avg equals to scanner dot next int function semicolon. Now you are going to write these on the board. From board, copy from the board. Now come to the next page. Check the condition. If parenthesis begin height greater and equals to 4 and this is the symbol of and ABG average greater and equals to 3 parenthesis close. Here the process begin, braces begin, system dot out dot print in parenthesis begin within quotes candidate has been shortlisted, sign of exclamation within quotes close, parenthesis close, semicolon. This process is terminated. Else if height greater and equals to 4 and average less than 3 parenthesis close. Now braces begin, system dot out dot print in parenthesis begin quotes open within quotes candidate has not been shortlisted, sign of exclamation, quotes close, parenthesis close, semicolon. Now braces close. Else if parenthesis begin height less than 4 and AVG greater and equals to 3 parenthesis close, braces begin, system dot out dot print in parenthesis begin candidate has been shortlisted, sign of exclamation, quotes close, parenthesis close, braces end. Now you may copy these things from board. Continue on the next page. Then else braces again begin, system dot out dot print in parenthesis begin quotes begin candidate has not been shortlisted, sign of exclamation, quotes close, parenthesis close, semicolon. This braces end for this braces and this for the second braces in the program, and this is for the first braces. So number of braces we open is equals to the number of braces we close. So our program is finished now. As soon as we finish the program, we save it by the name of basketball-teama.java and then exit from Notepad and click on command prompt option of Windows to come to the command prompt and type javac space basketball-teama.java. Enter press. Javac is the name of compiler and basketball-teama.java is the file name. As soon as we press enter, a lot of error may be come or may not. If the error will be display here, we will again go back to the notepad and open the file program and remove the error and again save it and again come to the command prompt and same command will be repeated till our program became error free. Suppose our program became error free. In that case, we will execute the program. On C prompt, we will type Java space basketball hyphen team A enter press. As soon as we press this, we will get the output on the board. So you should copy from the board.